Equipment Ltd & Co. Today I'm going to introduce you our bestseller product, S1100, and it's ICU ventilator and it's anesthesia machine. And the slogan, let's repeat together: friendly, powerful, and reliable. Can you repeat with me? Friendly, powerful, and reliable. Thank you. So, reliable. We trust this machine, we trust this machine. So, so let me introduce this machine like this. So you can see that I can move this machine easily because it has 4 rolling wheels, and it's too easy to move like this from the room, one operation room to another operation room, and the whole net kg is about 22 kg net kilogram, and with packaging everything it's about 40 kilograms, but you have another description for this one. It's about 35 with AC with air compressor here downstairs. So sorry, we are missing it. So this one, let me show you let me turn it on. Okay, here you can see the standby mode. Before starting the operation, our machine is ready, self-checking to eliminate all system errors to avoid some mistakes while doctor is preparing for operation, the whole process. So you can choose from here ventilation mode. And I want to show our best features of this machine. It has big screen, about 15 inches, TFT LCD monitor. It's a touch screen. You can touch from here, and you can see all ventilations mode here. And you can choose, it can be IPPV, AC, and PCV. You can choose from here. You can confirm from here, and the monitor will show you these all buttons. Sorry for being noisy. So you can see that the screen is enough big to produce from 5 oscillographs, 3 inside. You can see oscillographs each per each, right? So here we have alarm information. We have about 14 types of alarm information, and it's really helpful for troubleshooting and to escape some mistakes while we are using this machine. Here we have buttons like start. We can set this one. You can see a ventilation mode, and you can choose the frequency, the size, and some another components of our operation, the whole process. So what I want to mention about our product, guys. So it's the main advantages of our product is it's flexible configurated. The main feature is flexible configuration. Second one is good quality. Third one is really competitive. It has a really competitive price. So our S1100 became soon a leader of our market. And you can implement in operation room, in ICU department, and operation another operation emergency treatment. So it's really helpful, and you can move from one room to another. I showed you before. And the main feature of our machine is that it has 5 oscillographs. That is, it's useful for our big screen. And it's easy while you are doing your operation. And the main configuration, it is ATC CO2. So you know the cable is here. You are connecting from here. We don't have these hangers and another equipment for our machine, but you already knew our product that it has more equipment. So you are using this ATCO2 cable to adjust from the hanger, And we have two ports, inspiration port from here, the first one inspiration port, and one pipe is connecting from this pipe and going to humidifier. And this one is for expiration port and it's going like for water. And yeah, what I would like to mention is our humidifier somewhere there. Just keep in mind that we have humidifier. It's really important part for our machine. Humidifier can heat, and while we are our patient is in emergency, it's keeping like wet breathing, and it's really convenient for our patient to breathe. So it is the main advantage of our machine. And the next advantage is our rapid oxygen. So you know that within 2 minutes it can produce high rate of oxygen. So it's really important part, like 2 minutes and our patient can breathe. And yeah, this is the main advantage of this machine. The next one is high temperature, and while we are using it, while it's heating, it's not polluting the air. It is a real advantage. It is reusable and anti-pollution. What about safety? So regarding safety, we already mentioned that we have 14 types of alarm, voice and sound alarm information system, and it can protect you while you are doing operation. It's really useful for our user to troubleshoot and to eliminate the errors. And it has built-in oxygen concentration sensor, and it can afford you to assure that to assure precision of this oxygen concentration. The next one is we have another design of electric gas and how it calls and circuit. Yes, circuit, electric gas and circuit of like separate part that can protect while to run the mistakes of the machine. Electronic circuit gas. Yeah. And next one is battery. So we have. Let me show that this way. We have internal battery here that can produce powerful energy to avoid mistakes, and when our patient is in emergency, we have like backup powerful battery. And next one is while starting operation. I already showed that it's self-checking while starting the operation, and it's big advantage. So let's go through the buttons. Here I want to show system set. You also can see from here graph. I also want to remind you that we have oxygen rate like from 21 to 100. You know that 21% is for our normal air, like we are breathing 21%, and 100 is like due to this machine we are having this 100% of oxygen. So yeah, this is alarm set. This one is a system set. You can choose from here graphs, and let me just go exit. So 2 minutes 02 system and new ventilator.
Next one.
Next one is curve freeze and inspiration hold. Also, we have advantage, like we have about 8 languages. We can choose which country we prefer. We have French, Russia, Italy, so you can choose from the environment button. And yeah, so you can lock. No one can touch the screen. We have like safety no one can. You can set all your parameters before operation, and you can lock, so it's not touchable anymore. So if our screen is not working, what we are doing, we are going to another button here, so we can control. Let me choose some. Okay, so if our monitor, for example, is not working, what we are doing, we are using this manual roller button, so we can roll and choose from here and press here. Yeah. So we already talked about these ones, and we have about air compensator here. So yeah, about humidifier, we have this display on humidifier. So unfortunately, I can't show you, and it also shows us some results and parameters of our machine. So if you have any questions, I'm open to answer. I think that I covered all the parts of the machine. And regarding the color, you can see the design is like for all machines are white. Yes, the most common color for our machine is white and gray accessories. So I'm open for your questions if you have some questions.